Okay bro, your device is ready. Okay,
Yeah.
now everything is working fine. Okay,
Okay.
you can see.
Yeah, everything is working.
Charging port replacement. Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
We did announce the headphone jack.
Now
Let's break the last. It's working. Okay.
are you satisfied?
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
Our service?
Yeah.
Okay, give a feedback about our service.
Hi guys, my name is Samir. I'm from Somalia. I would like to thank Mr. Basid and AppWorld for making me good service and customer satisfaction. I came here, my phone was totally damaged. I changed the display replacement and the headphone jack. And now I'm satisfied for that. This one AppWorld. They have the good and the best services you can enjoy and you can like it. Thank you.